Good morning, class. So, last time I forwarded you the video that in which we discussed about the matter and matter characteristic, and we have seen the activities in the lab also, that how we will prove these characteristics. So, in the today's class, we are going to discuss four questions related to that topic, which is inside your NCRT book, page number 3. Okay, so now let's discuss the question number 1. Which of the following are matter? Chair, air, love, smell, heat, almond, thought, cold, lemon, lemon water, and smell of a perfume. Okay, so now what you have to do in this question? So before solving this question, you have to know about what the matters are. So as I told you, matters is anything which occupies space, which have some mass and volume. Okay, so we will see that which thing occupies space, which have some mass or the volume or or they have some weight, so they will be considered in the category of a matter. And those things who don't have that space, mass, weight and all, they will be considered as a non matter. Now let's see the first, chair. So as you know that chair have weight, chair occupies a space, so it will be considered as a matter. Now second is the air. So you know that air occupies a space, that's why your balloons, when you are filling the air inside the balloon, that inflates. Okay, so air occupies a space and it has some weight also. You have seen in your LPG cylinder mein, that is a liquid petroleum gas, and gas is liquefied, and you can see that the cylinder is very heavy because of the weight of the gas also. Okay, so air occupies space, air have some weight, so definitely air will be considered as matter. And air pressure to you know already. Okay, third is that love, smell and heat. The three I'm telling you in one: love, smell and heat. So you know that love, smell or hate, basically these all are the words, they are feelings, they don't occupies a space, they don't have weight, so we are not considering these three in matter. Okay, in the category of a matter, because you know that love is not occupying a space, it is just a feeling, it may be different from individual to individual. Okay, we are not saying like that love love is carrying that much space, that love has that much weight, love has a 200-gram weight. We are not considering this kind of things. Okay, so the love, smell and hate, they all are feelings only, they are just a word, so we are not considering them as a matter. Now next, almond. Almond, you know that almond is a matter because you know that almond is occupying a space. Same, hot and cold is just a feeling, that is not occupying a space, they don't have mass, so they will not considered as a matter. But if it is a cold drink, then cold drink is a matter, because you know that cold drink, it means we are talking about a liquid which occupies a space, okay, which have some mass and all. So cold drink is a matter, but cold is not a matter. Now lemon water. So as I told you, lemon water, definitely it is a matter, because it has some properties of characteristic of the matter, it occupies space, it has a weight. So definitely lemon water is considered to be as a matter. Now smell of a perfume. So smell of a perfume is considered as a matter, because you know that when we are talking about smell of a perfume, it means we are talking about something liquid which dissolve, which diffuse in the air, and we get the aroma of that. So smell of a perfume, or smell of a particular thing, if it is mentioned, then it will come in the category of a matter. Okay, next question. Give reason for the following observation. The smell of hot, sizzling food reaches you several meters away. But to get the smell from cold food, you have to go closer. Now, what will be the reason for that? Okay, so as I told you, when when we are talking about the hot sizzling food and the smell of a hot sizzling food, okay, so you know that we are talking about the property of a diffusion. Diffusion means intermixing of particles, है ना? ठीक है. So now when we are rising the temperature, the rate of diffusion increases. Why? Because as I told you in the classroom, when we increase the temperature, the kinetic energy of the particle also increases. And what is a kinetic energy? Kinetic energy means the energy of the movement of the molecules. Okay, so when we raise the temperature, the kinetic energy, it means the energy of the motion of the atom increases. And when the atoms will move rapidly, will move in a faster speed, definitely the rate of diffusion will be higher in them. And definitely जो aroma of the food है, it will be mixed with the air and it goes far away. But it does not happen with the cold food, because you know that cold food में the temperature is not so high, so the rate of diffusion is less there. So the answer of this question is that because of the diffusion, and diffusion rate is increases when we increase the temperature. Okay, now next question. A diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool. Which property of matter does this observation show? So definitely, if anything is cutting something, so it means that you know that the matter have some space between them. So if a diver is able to cut through water in a swimming pool, which property of matter does this observation show? It means that the liquid molecules don't have a lot of force of attraction. They can easily breakable. And second thing is that they have so much empty space between them, so easily that our diver is able to cut through them, and easily he is doing swimming on that. Okay, so this is the answer for that. Next question is that what are the characteristic of the particle of the matter? So already we have written this answer in a class or copy, that what are the characteristic of the particle of the matter. So as I told you, that first characteristic of the particle of the matter is that matter is made up of very small particles. Second is that the particle have some empty space between them. Third, the particle of the matter are in motion. And fourth, the kinetic energy increases when we increase the temperature. And fifth is that the particle of the matter have some attraction forces, which is called as force of attraction. Okay, so these are the 5 characteristic of the matter, and this is your today's work, that you have to write the answer of these first 4 question, which is your NCERT text questions, page number 3 in classwork copy. And where you have to write, as I told you, the question and answers you will write in the left side of your copy, and whatever the notes I will provide you related to this chapter, you will write in the right side of your copy. So hope this topic is clear to you. Hope this 4 answers are clear to you. Or if you have any queries related to this topic, you are free to call me. The timing should be between 5 to 6 evening. Okay, thank you.